Okay guys, I'm very nervous. This is my makeup brush. I got it stuck in the glove so I can hold it, or else I wouldn't be able to hold it. And then I have an eye brush. This actually has some makeup on it. This is an eye brush for my eyelids, the eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my cover up because I got a lot of blemishes. I don't know, my whole life I always just had blemishes, like acne. It's called cystic acne, and it just was always, it was always like that my whole life. It didn't matter what I did with my face or what cream I used, it always broke out. I'm sorry if you hear stuff in the background. I am in a nursing facility, so there's a lot of angry old women that has dementia. Now this is the easy part. It gets hard because I do have contour palette and I have highlight and blush, so I'm gonna look a little crazy at the end, but it's fun for me. I do this almost every other day. Look, I got it on my glasses. I'm already a mess. I keep wanting to peek out of my glove and then this is really the only problem I have, because it falls out and then I can't use it anymore. Let's see if it works. Doesn't seem to want to stay. I don't know why. There we go. The struggle is real. I would take my glasses off, but it's really hard for me to see. There we go. It's a workout. But I remember before my accident, I used to love doing makeup. And things haven't changed. I just got my septum put in. I'm trying to do things to make me feel as normal as possible, because after the accident, for a while it was really, really hard to do anything. I was in a lot of pain. And things seemed like it would never get better. This is actually e.l.f. cover-up. It's full coverage, but I didn't put enough on my sponge. And it's really hard to do it, so I'm gonna stay a little exposed still. Do you hear the old woman in the background screaming? This is the way I live. Alright, now these blemishes are still really red, but that's what we have to deal with for the moment. I hate pimples, I hate them. But it looks good enough. Now we should move on to contour. This should be fun. I wish you could see everything, but alright, this is me getting the contour on my brush. That's a pretty highlight. Alright, I'm gonna contour. This side of my face always works so much better. I am out of breath. There we go. Alright, you see I got some contour right there. Let's see how slightly working. I forgot. Okay. I feel like I'm all up in the camera. I'm sorry. Okay. I think that's enough. I always overdo things all the time. See how I have a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna work on this side. It's always a struggle on this side. Wait till I put blush on. All right. Contour. Check. Should I want to do more on this side. I don't know why. This is actually a good palette. This is a Sephora palette. But if I knew what I was doing, I want to just go like this actually for some reason, because it's everywhere. Now I'm gonna do blush. Actually, since I'm right near the highlight, I'm gonna do the highlight first. This is actually blush and highlight. This side is a lost cause. Oh my god. It's just getting worse. This arm hurts. Alright, let's do real blush. This blush is so pretty. It keeps coming out. I wish you guys could see this blush. I'm trying. Alright, this is my favorite highlight. I'm gonna use the highlight real quick. I know what you're thinking. You don't need it. But I want it. It's hard to get it. Alright. Let's just highlight the nose. Highlight right there. I'm gonna do above my lips. I think that's enough. I like the highlight on my nose. I forgot to contour my nose. Let's see. Let's see if I could do this. The effort is there, okay? We'll pretend that that little dot isn't there. Oh no, I can't pretend it's there. Okay, one more. I think I look good. Alright, now let's do eyeshadow. This is actually the first time I'll be doing eyeshadow because it's very difficult for me. Let me see. I don't have any room. Alright, looks like there's absolutely nothing on my lid. Brushes everywhere. Again, nothing. I don't think we're getting anywhere with this eyeshadow. It's really hard. Now I'm gonna blend it in the crease. Listen to me, I think I act like I know what I'm talking about. Oh my god. That's my wing. It's really not. It's really not. Please don't think. Oh my god. Let's try to erase that. Bye. Or not. It's still there. I think it looks cute. It gives it character. Oh, Lavila. Oh, this is hard. Okay. Just gotta get through this other eyeball. Oh my god. No. No. It was looking so good. Just joking, it really wasn't. I think this is the best we're gonna get. I think the only part that I'm really happy with is a little boop on my nose and how cute it looks. Ah. Look at me doing too much. Alright. Well, we're gonna do the best we can with this eyelash. And just, I guess this is the finished look. This is the best I can do. When I get better, I will do another tutorial or video, whatever this is called. For those who watched me, thank you for not completely making fun of me, or maybe you were. But thanks for all my supporters and everybody who shared my story. I really appreciate it. And I just want to get this seatbelt awareness out there, because if I would have worn my seatbelt, I believe I wouldn't be in the position that I am. But I'm making the best of it. Again, thank you for watching me put my makeup on, even though it was a complete disaster. Thank you. Show numbers. 3.